Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel, and today I'm gonna show you how to refinance your car loan with Upstart in 2025. So Upstart allows you to refinance an existing car loan, helping you to lower your monthly payments or to get a better interest rate. And here's how to take advantage of that. So first thing you got to do is to check your eligibility. So you must have a qualifying vehicle and a loan balance within Upstart's limits, and you must ensure that your current loan is not too new or too close to be paid off, too close to being paid off. Once you meet those requirements, you can go ahead and pre-qualify for a new auto loan. So use Upstart's soft credit check tool to see your potential rates, and you can compare your new rates versus your existing auto loan APR, to ensure savings. Next is going to be to apply for auto refinance. So submit details about your car and current loan. You also want to provide income proof, insurance details, and vehicle registration. Next, you get approved and transfer your loan. So if approved, Upstart will pay off your current lender directly, and you will start making monthly payments to Upstart instead. And last but not least, you can repay on time and save on interest. So you can set up automatic payments to avoid late fees. You also want to consider paying extra to pay off your car loan early, and that's going to help you to basically save up on your expenses. That's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you guys liked it. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.